There could be people out there stealing your content. In this video, I'm going to show you the tool that YouTube has provided to us to help us search out those people and to take care of the problem. Stick around because we're going to cover the YouTube copyright tool and how you can use it to protect your content.
YouTube Simplified.
Hi and welcome to Creator Fundamentals. My name is Dan Courier and it is my mission to simplify YouTube so you and I can grow together. Copyright can be a really big deal. Unfortunately, there are channels, individuals out there that will just come over, steal your videos, upload them as their own in an attempt to try to get cheap views. Well, the reality is they're infringing on your copyright and you should be able to do something about that. Well, YouTube provides us a tool called the YouTube Copyright Tool. So I'm going to show you exactly where to go to look for it to see if you currently have the YouTube Copyright Tool. Plus, I'm going to show you how to walk through the process so you can dispute those who have gone out and stolen your content. So if you want to drop a little justice on content thieves, stick around because this is the video for you. All right, so I guess the first thing we should cover is who is eligible for the YouTube Copyright Tool. If you are part of the YouTube Partner Program, then you should have access to this tool. Now, it's not going to be very much help to you unless somebody has actually gone out and stolen part of your videos or entire videos, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to figure that out. Let's jump over to the computer, we'll pull the tool up on desktop and let you know exactly how to walk through the process and what your options are, as well as understanding what's fair use and how to assess whether somebody is outright stealing your content or they're using it in a transformative way.
All right, so let's jump into the actual copyright match tool and see how we go about using it to protect ourselves and our content. So from your YouTube channel, you can actually go into YouTube Studio Beta. Once this loads, we are going to take a look on the left-hand side here, and you'll see your menu of options, one of which says copyright. So we're going to go ahead and click on copyright, and that's going to bring us into the copyright match tool. Now, if anybody has essentially stolen your content, you're going to see those channels and the references to your videos on this screen. As you can see, we have 4 channels out here that have actually taken videos from Creator Fundamentals and uploaded them to their own channel as their own content. We can see these are the channel names here. These are the videos as they've named them. And you can see the date that they uploaded them and the total views that they aren't getting in this case. And then it shows you individual frames and it tells you the percentage of your video that was uploaded. So in this case, 100% of their video is your content. So obviously that doesn't really fall into fair use. So the idea of fair use is when somebody takes a portion of your content and includes it, or they include commentary, or they provide some type of feedback that is transformative in nature. That is like somebody who is doing a review of your content, or they are they have something negative to say, for example. Those types of things where they are providing feedback about your content could potentially be transformative in nature and may fall under fair use. But in this case, we're looking at somebody who's taken an entire video and the entire upload that they sent to YouTube is in fact your content. So that's not going to fall under fair use guidelines. So you see we have options here. We see the videos on the right hand side. It says move to archive. That's basically just hiding it while doing nothing. We have request video removal and we have contact channel. So my personal belief in this particular example is that if you're going to take somebody's video in its entirety and upload it as your entire video, I don't think there's really a situation or the need to actually contact the channel, but we definitely want to request that the video be removed. So on each of these, I'm actually going to select all of them for request video removal, and then I'm going to click the request video removal button. And what that's going to do is it's going to bring you to the next screen. It verifies your information. In this case, it shows who I am. And then it also shows the business address for Creator Fundamentals. Feel free to send your swag and merch and all that other stuff there. But then it'll show the videos in question. Now the options down below basically give you a couple different things that you can do in response to these videos. Now, in this case, it shows you that the match detected on these was basically their entire video, 0 to 319, 0 to 709, 0 to 319, etc. And we've decided that we want to not allow them to do this with our content. So at the bottom we have scheduled, send a 7-day notice. Once the request is validated, YouTube gives the uploader 7 days to remove the video and avoid a copyright strike. If they don't, the video is removed after 7 days. And then it is standard request removal now. These removals can lead to a copyright strike. YouTube processes the video removal after validating the request. And then it has some statements that you have to affirm or agree to. It says, I have a good faith belief that the use of the material in the manner complained of is not authorized by the copyright owner, its agent, or the law, with myself being the copyright owner in this case. The information in this notification is accurate, and under penalty of perjury, I am the owner or an agent authorized to act on behalf of the owner of an exclusive right that is allegedly infringed. Being my own content, 100% use of my own content, yes, I do affirm that this is my content and everything in this notice is accurate. I understand that abuse of this tool, such as submitting removal requests for content I do not own, may result in termination of my YouTube account. And this is really important. You don't want to use this tool to go after somebody, or you don't want to be in a situation where you've uploaded content that you don't own and try to request something be done against another YouTuber who's also uploaded it. So in that case, we would say we have the option to give them 7 days, or we can do the standard removal request. In this case, it's 100% on all of these channels. I'm going to go with the standard removal request. If it results in a copyright strike, then that's a great education for channels who are taking other people's videos and uploading in their entirety and trying to get views off of them. Not the way you do things on YouTube, definitely not the way you should go. And it's something that is kind of a pet peeve of mine that, don't steal people's content, make original content. So we're going to click all this. And then once we've done that, we are going to just verify, make sure everything is okay. And then we hit the submit button. So basically what happens in that case is it says, nice work, you're all caught up. These are the removal requests that have previously been sent and resolved. As you can see, these are previous videos to the tune of many, I think there's over 35 cases where the content was stolen. You can see in some cases the channel's gone, probably because I wasn't the only person who had their content stolen. So that is what you see there from a bunch of these channels that just kind of spring up. They try to steal a bunch of content, upload it to the channels, and then try to make money on it eventually, which doesn't really work very well for them. So messages is where you would see if you had attempted to contact the channel, you would have the interaction right here. And then archive is where you put any videos where there is a portion of your content used. So this is the other example. In this case, it was a 10% match. In this case, this particular channel used a portion of my content in their video, but in this case, I allowed it because it was actually an interview that I did on somebody else's channel, and they used a portion of my content in their video, which is completely fine. So you definitely want to look at these things, make sure you have a clear understanding of exactly how the content's being used. And the reality is, if somebody was doing a different type of video and they wanted to take a segment out of my channel, which I've certainly seen channels do in the past, I don't usually have a problem with that. It's these 100% downloads and uploads that are just an obvious attempt to take other people's content and try to benefit from them. So can't have that here on YouTube. We try to clean it up as much as possible. So, but that's all there is to it. That is the YouTube copyright match tool, and that's how you go about submitting your request. Now, what's going to happen is you're going to receive email notifications as YouTube takes care of these. They'll let you know that the video was removed, and they'll send you an email to confirm it. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to see future videos that can help you simplify YouTube, make sure you click that subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you don't miss a thing. I'll see you guys in the next video.